Now, how do we keep it alive? So we're watering it once a week. Remember, Sundays is my day. You choose your day, whatever works best for you. We want to make sure that these nice, beautiful green basil leaves of a Phalaenopsis orchid stay clean. So you want to dust them. When you go to give this a drink, give them a good shower as well. Remember, they're from the rainforest. They're used to rain falling on them. In Calgary, our alkaline water can leave some nice little spots on them. So you might want to give them just a bit of a wipe down. What we want to be careful of is making sure that these leaves stay nice and turgid, so they have lots of moisture in those leaves. If they start to wilt, turn yellow, get wrinkled, they're going to drop down. And that's when we're going to have to take a good look again at those roots to make sure there isn't any rotting. It either needs water or you might be watering a little bit too much. So keeping an eye on the leaves as you're watering is very important. I brought in a couple older orchids, and you can see with this one how the leaves are starting to turn not quite as nice a bright yellow. They've got a bit of yellowness to them. You can actually feel wrinkles in the leaves. That's showing that it's not getting enough moisture to the foliage and thus to the stem. These guys in full bloom, peak bloom when you get them, will bloom up to 3 months, 4 months if you take really good care of them. And ideally, when you pick up one from the garden center, get as many closed buds as you can, because this is going to prolong its life. Obviously, this one is going to have full-on show right from the get-go. So if it's for a birthday party, a gift, and you want all the show, go for this one. But if you have patience and you're willing for this one to come along, this one's going to bloom for a long time for you. So once it blooms out, we can see this little Oncidium orchid, another in the orchid family. This stem has turned brown. You'll often see, maybe even on a Phalaenopsis orchid, that one stem is nice and green and one is brown.